Well, good afternoon and welcome back. We're in the fig greenhouse. We are in southern Illinois. It's on 7A. And we're going to be looking at some different varieties of figs today. This is going to be video footage from over the last few months that I have yet to get posted of different varieties. And I'm just kind of walking through the greenhouse talking to you at the moment. So this will be, there'll be 3 or 4 varieties per video. This will be an episode of fig varieties and talk. So here's the video you came to watch. Good afternoon. And we're going to look at some more varieties of figs today. This here is LSU Jack Lily. This is a tasty fig. Decent size. I don't think I picked it too early. Set it up here where we can get a look at it. Good size fig. It's on a small 5-gallon tree. I just dropped that half, but there's this half. This is a really tasty honey fig. You can see that eye is just full of honey in there. Ooh. Perfectly ripe. I really just taste honey. A little table sugar. LSU Jack Lily. Hey, good afternoon. It's September 25th and we're in the fig greenhouse again. Today we're going to look at Scots Black and LSU Tiger. I'm picking back here in the jungle on the side. Here's the Scots Black. Looks kind of similar to that brandy I picked the other day. We'll cut it open and see. And there is a Tiger. It's got this little sap on it. I may have picked it a day early, but that's okay. We're going to have a look at them. Let's start off with this Scots Black. It's got a nice closed eye. Oh, ain't that something? That's a pretty fig. I wonder if it tastes as good as it looks. Yeah, it does. Wow, that's got a whole lot of berry. Berry. Nice and thick. It's got some seeds in it. Probably a little seed crunch there. Just a little, she says. LSU Scots Black. I'd have to eat a few of them to really digest the flavors there. It's a real good berry fig, that's for sure. Alright, let's have a look-see at this one. This is Tiger. Yeah, it definitely could have used a day. Maybe 2. Oh yeah, it definitely needed 2 days. It's kind of green. Not near as great as I thought it was going to be. When you let it ripen, it's a really good fig. There's a nice texture. But I just thought it was riper than that. And that was my mistake. So we'll try to find another Tiger if there is any more. I don't know. That might have been my last one of the season. But we're getting a look at them anyway. LSU Tiger. LSU Scots Black. Thanks for watching. And what we have here is another fig to look at. I've had a little bit of a hard time getting a good ripe one of these, but I believe I finally got it there. This is Bordo Blanca rimada. It's good and ripe. It's in a 7-gallon pot. Oh man, and it holds on real good. Might have a bad spot there. Let's see what this looks like. And it got some mold in the eye too. Ooh. I ain't had much luck with this fig here. It ripens or it don't ripen. We're gonna try that one here in just a minute. It looks good and jammy. This has definitely got a bad spot in it. So let's see what this one tastes like. It's got a good strawberry flavor. Kind of melts in your mouth pretty quick. Ain't got much texture to it. It just kind of disintegrates. The only thing you're left with is some skim with some strawberry jam on it. Kind of an interesting fig. Bordo Blanca rimada, or also thought to be the same as panache. Thanks for watching.